All right. Hey guys, welcome back to howtobuycrypto.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, you're watching the replay. I'm going to talk to my Facebook family and friends first. Guys, I want to talk to you about the top 3 reasons to buy Bitcoin and get into the digital currency market. There are a number of reasons why we have seen an explosion of the cryptocurrency market, and Bitcoin being the top of them, right? Bitcoin was the first. It came out in 2008 with Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, and they implemented it in early 2009, January 2009. And since then, number one reason to buy into Bitcoin, it is the largest and longest bull market in history. So it started out at less than a tenth of a cent, and it has grown to today 4,300. Let me not lie to you. Let's go ahead and flip my camera, and I can show you. Let's go real time to the cryptocurrency market, and 42.97, $4,297 for Bitcoin. That's huge. It started at less than a tenth of a cent, and that's at $4,297 today, right now. Okay, that's the number one reason. Biggest bull market in history, and it's still projected to grow for the next 3 to 5 years by financial experts and analysts that are in this space. Number one, okay, so that was number one. Number two, early adoption. Guys, there are about 1% of 1% of people doing this. This is such an untapped market that people are just, number one, they don't understand it. Number two, it's still so new as a computer science, as a technology, that it is just hard to explain and hard to understand. Because of that, a lot of people are like, I'm a little wary of it. And because it's grown so fast and so been, been blown up so big, people are thinking this is a scam. It's a Ponzi scheme. Number one, it has been vetted by the largest banks in the world. And said it's not a Ponzi scheme. Number two, well, let's go to the number three reason of the top 3 reasons to get in and buy Bitcoin. Number 3 is they are saying that it is Internet 2.0. It is the biggest advancement in technology that we have seen on Earth since the internet. They're calling it the Internet of Money because what it is a decentralized version, just like the internet is, of financial transfer. That means you can't shut it off, just like you can't shut off the internet. And it can't be, because it's decentralized, it can't be controlled by any single government or any entity. And all the people that hold Bitcoin or want to manipulate it, they can't, because like I said, it's decentralized, and the founder and the creator made it in such a way that it's unstoppable. In fact, they are working, I believe, was it Bitmain? No, there is a company right now working on getting Bitcoin nodes into space so that they can allow the nodes to operate if someone manages to knock out some of the internet grid on Earth, that you can still access data in space and still make transactions in Bitcoin, which is incredible. And the future of it is so huge. Now, those are the top 3. Number 1, longest bull market in history, projected to be another 3 to 5 years bull market. Number 2, we are still in such an early adoption that it's incredible how few people are buying Bitcoin, understand what Bitcoin is, and know how big it's going to be as a part of the future, and the blockchain technology behind it, how much it is revolutionizing the industry of finance. And the biggest names in finance, JP Morgan, and in fact, not just the financial institutions, other countries, whole countries, Russia and the Philippines and Malta, are trying to adopt this technology so that they are the first, and they have the cutting edge, and they have the early adopters advantage of using this technology in their infrastructure to build upon. So it's such a huge thing, and it's again, Internet 2.0, and it's called the Internet of Money, which is such a huge technology. And guys, if you were listening to me a month ago today, I'm going to go ahead and flip my camera again. A month ago today on YouTube, I said, here you go, right here, July 17th. Let me make that a little bit bigger. Right here, July 17th, 2017, 30 days ago, a month ago. I said buy Bitcoin. Why? And I show you here. There's a $5,000 deposit in July from Coinbase, the exchange that I use, and showing you guys this is real. This is not made up. This is my checking account, and basically saying, guys, this is here to stay. It's a big deal. But if you bought in Bitcoin on July 17th, when I was telling you, I was saying this is the perfect time because the market's about to swing up, and you're going to see Bitcoin explode and a much higher swing. And guess what? If you would have bought in, you would have doubled your money. If you put in $100, you would have made $200. You put in $1,000, you would have made $2,000. If you put in $10,000, you would have made $20,000, and actually more than 100% of your money. I told you it's 42.97. And when I was talking about this, when I made that video and was telling people about it, it was at $2,000, guys. And I told you it's undervalued. It's going to go up. And in fact, in 2020 is what I'm recommending people to hold on to Bitcoin until I believe that the price is going to continue to rise. We will see, just like any other stock, just like any other bond, the price go up and down. But here's the deal. It's going to be on an incline until 2020. One of the reasons I know that is 2020 is the Bitcoin halving. That means that the supply of Bitcoin is going to reduce the flow or the stream of Bitcoin. And so it will become more scarce. And just like in 2016, when the price of Bitcoin went up with a halving, which happens about every 4 years, the price is going to continue to rise and be more valuable in 2020 than it is today. And, I encourage people to look at this as a long-term investment and not to, look at the short term and say, hey, my money didn't go up that much today, or it's down a little bit today. I encourage people to buy and hold, treat it like a savings account that you will, consider, pulling any kind of money out in 2020. You can trade it just like any other commodity because it's considered property by the IRS. And you can obviously make money on shorter trades. You can short it if the price goes down. You can get leverage on it just like you can with stocks and Forex and, like a number of other things. But the deal is it has value. It's here to stay. It's based on solid and sound computer science, and it's been vetted by the biggest names in the world. And hey, guys, you don't got to listen to me. Look it up yourself. You just type it up in Wikipedia and read about it. Find out what the rest of the world is saying about Bitcoin. But again, like I said, if you would have bought one Bitcoin on July 17th, you would have already made about $2,300 just from 30 days, which is incredible. You don't see that in any other market like you do here. And in fact, I've actually, put in notice to my full-time job to say I'd like to go part-time because I'm making so much money here with Bitcoin and trading cryptocurrencies that it's and it's in my free time. I'm making so much money in my free time. I need to focus more on it to be able to develop it. I think I can do better if I'm able to commit more time to trading. And so I've already put in my notice at work. My full-time job, I make about 60 grand a year at that company, and I'm asking to go part-time because, and of course that's, some people make a lot more than I do, but it's better than than the national average that I make. So I make a decent living. And the deal is I'm willing to put away the, so-called security of a full-time job because of the, where the market stands today and I know how big of a deal this is. I know we're still in the early adoption period. And guys, if you don't understand what it is, you want to know, I've, done all the work for you. You can go over to howtobuycrypto.com and click right here, Intro to Digital Currencies. It will bring you to the How to Buy Crypto channel. And you can see here, it's a better view. Well, okay, let me zoom out so you can see actually the videos here. Oh, I don't know what I just did. But basically, here we go. Nope, it went to analytics. So I've done all the work for you. That's not it. And you can see, I've got over 50 videos here that you can watch with wealth of information. And you can just, take the time, go through them, try to get your questions answered. You guys, I also do consultation. You can take my course. It's $129. And you can just email me or message me on Facebook as to if you have more questions about it. I do consultations as well at $100 an hour. And guys, people are happy to pay $100 an hour because I've a number of people told them how to do this, explained how I'm doing this, taught them strategies, and they've made tens of thousands of dollars. This is a life-changing opportunity. If you guys see the value in it. If you don't, I get it. People don't like risk. People like sure things. And I got into it as an investment vehicle for my retirement because I was not offered retirement through my full-time job, or I'm an associate pastor. I don't have retirement through our church. So I needed an investment vehicle outside of cash, outside of savings, outside of, some gold and silver and real estate. So I bought Bitcoin in 2015 at $248, and it has $248 in 2015. Today it's worth $4,300. Incredible opportunity, guys. And like I said, you don't got to take my word for it. Do your own research. I've made these videos easy for you to follow and learn about. This is a 20-minute seminar that I did. And then if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can find the intro to investing in crypto. And that's about a 30-minute seminar that I did that you can also find out information on. Number one, if you want an easy step to get into this market without having to, understand a whole lot of how this works, you just say, hey, you know what? I believe in this. I want to put $20 in. Great. Go to the App Store on your phone or to the Google Play Store if you got an Android phone. Either platform, you can type in Coinbase, Coinbase, and I'll just show you here real quick. Coinbase, they've got an app on iOS and Android, and you can set up an account, put a credit card information in and buy into Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum on this platform. And I do it. You can do it on your phone as well. You can make those purchases on your phone. You can go to the desktop version and use the desktop version as well. But I do it on my phone all the time. And I'll just show you real quickly. Very simple interface. If you have any questions, I got a 5-minute video that I charge for, but I can give to you. You can see here. This is the Coinbase app, and you can buy directly here. You can set alerts for the price if it drops that you want to buy in at a better market value. You can buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum here, and it's very simple, very straightforward. And if you need some help, let me know. I'll send you a 5-minute video walkthrough of how to sign up and how to buy. And if you want to use my link, you'll get $10 extra. If you spend $100, you get $10 of free Bitcoin just for signing up. And I'll as well benefit. I get $10 of Bitcoin for free that way as well. So if you're interested, let me know. You can email me at marco@howtobuycrypto.com. You can message me on the group. I'll show you here on the Facebook group, which is How to Buy Crypto. You can type that into Facebook, and you'll see our group. I'm happy to have you and ask questions, guys. There's a lot of people that have been here, for a while and have a lot of answers. So I like taking questions and answering for you guys here. And again, the YouTube channel, I'm telling you, I got a ton of information here that you can watch on your own time and catch up on try to get a better understanding of what I do here. But anyhow, guys, that's pretty much it. I appreciate your time. I appreciate letting me be a voice in your life. And I'm going to keep talking about this, maybe about once a month on Facebook, live that I'll do like this. But, and like I said, YouTube guys, you'll be watching it, as a replay, but, thank you all so much. And let me have your questions. I'm happy to, contribute and help you to understand the space. And if you would like, for me to, if you're an associate pastor or a pastor, let me know. I taught my pastor how to do this for free. And just let me know. Talk to me and we'll work something out. But if you have a group that you want me, people that want to learn this, let me know. We'll work something out. We'll set up a seminar and I can talk to you guys. I'm happy to explain and help people to understand this knowledge. And look, guys, I'm telling you this stuff for free. You don't have to pay me to do this. I got a ton of information how to do all of this online. If you do want to do a consultation, it's a shortcut instead of, trying to figure it all out on your own. And I can teach you some strategies. I can teach you what to avoid. And guys, you let me know. Either way, however you want to do it, Marco at howtobuycrypto.com. I'm happy to help you out. Thank you guys for tuning in. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon.